unboxing videos. Now, I'm pretty sure Eric's already unboxed this multiple times.
This has been unboxed.
But just for the entertainment of viewers, this is the rest of that
rotated setup
that
I had ordered maybe 3
This
months
is a
ago.
big ass box.
You can fit a body in here.
Yeah, well, let's try it.
No.
Oh, it's also
Oh yeah, intake.
all the intake.
Yeah.
It's not all the intercooler piping?
No, it's just this is just the intake piping
For the wait, what do you mean? Oh, to go from the
from the turbo to a.
yeah, but are we even using that? Because you're not even sticking with MAF, are you? You're going speed
Oh
density.
no, I'll just get a cover for it.
Yeah, that's a. But
Yeah.
where does it? So wait, does this go to the turbo? Well, this is too big. First off, you're gonna have to get an adapter.
No, because that turbo has a 4-inch fucking outlet on it, and that's 3.
That's 3 inches. So you need to get an adapter.
It already comes with it.
So wait, where does this? Does it go this way?
Kind of.
And where does the filter sit?
So it goes kind of like this.
Oh,
Or-
okay.
No, definitely like this ish.
I like the paint though.
Oh, it's fucking gorgeous. So
The standard Subaru shit right there. So that's basically made. This is basically made to adapt it to a stock car, huh?
we're in 08 WRX.
Okay. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Yes, we are. Okay,
This
so.
is what I was talking about. But
Oh.
the beautiful thing is, if we wanted to do a screamer,
Weld that shut. Or we could just weld to this.
right.
So what we'll have to be careful with is when we do the V-band, know what we should do? We'll have to actually, yeah. We're going to have to not chop it. We're going to have to cut the weld off and get this flange off.
Well, no, what we're gonna do
Because
is
we have to make sure that it actually does mate up to this perfectly.
we're gonna horse shit in the old motor, and we're gonna mock everything up.
Yeah,
We're
we'll
gonna
need
weld
to.
it while it's in there.
We'll need to.
Yeah.
Because that's going to be a challenge. Is there more stuff in here?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
There's all sorts of good shit in there.
He's a happy camper, even though he's had this forever.
I love looking at shit.
What did you pay for this?
11.
11? That's not bad.
No.
It's somewhere. Oh, I see boxes.
Oh yeah.
Why are there boxes?
Oh, there's shit in there.
There's shit in there?
This most important piece of this entire box right here. That right there, most important, most valuable.
Anything over here?
I don't think so.
No. Okay. Eric's getting excited. Oh my god. Really?
Everything.
Everything?
Fucking everything. Look at it.
Even a filter?
Yeah.
What's all that?
This is for. I'm trying to think what this is for.
It's piping of sorts, right?
Yeah.
Oh look, there's your adapter.
I told you.
It already comes with one.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
I told you. Literally comes with everything. This is if you wanted to rotate your stock car in a weekend, you buy this kit and you can rotate it no problem.
Was this heat wrap?
I think it is. Yes.
Yes. No?
Yes.
Oh no, it's heat
It's
shielding.
sheathing. Yeah, it's sheathing.
Comes with the T's. Dude, literally, what's in the other box?
Oh, all sorts of shit.
Even more stuff? Does it come with a V-band too?
Look at how pretty this is.
It's a small filter.
That's okay.
We're gonna have to change that. That's not gonna supply that much power.
No, it's fine.
That's gonna turn into a restriction.
No, it's fine.
Oil lines?
Yeah.
Return lines?
Yeah. Dude.
Oh, that's
everything.
perfect. Dude,
I know.
that's a perfect return. Oh no, these are water lines. We don't need those.
It's not here. Yeah.
Oil?
Not junk.
Wow.
Yes.
I know. That'll work perfectly. Look at that. 45. Right off that. It'll work perfectly.
I told you this comes with everything.
Except the V-band?
Except the V-band because it's meant for the 4-volt. And I think that's it.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. Oh, no.
What is that? Some little shitters.
Oh, oil restrictors.
Oh, okay.
That's good. Don't lose those.
It's all going right
Put
back.
it all right back in.
Yeah, it's all going right back. Oh, there's another hose. Look, another hose.
That's
Oil return. But yeah, I have literally...
Oh look, even a flange.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude, it's legit.
Eric, this is gonna be fun.
It is.
So we made the piece.
That fits.
It fits great. Now we just need to grind off all of the paint so I can weld it. So we can weld it. We're gonna take turns because see who's is better, and you could be the judge, YouTube.
Yeah, you let us know who the fuck knows how to weld better than the other.
Me.
No.
That's how annoying it is. God damn it! You piece! It's really fucking loud!
Put the place up, yeah, we know what we made of. Can't get enough of you, boo, I'm a chaser. Face up, now I feel a little major. Blink of an eye, ego, I'm a taker. Shaker, yeah, she was a born shaker. She shake me out that door to no place. Damn, why you doing all that? Thought you was my wife, but you stabbed me in the back. Something like the road when we came out there, we settled facts like the big G. I'm breaking bones, I'm breaking backs. Come on, get your ass up if you're slipping. Get another smile like it was the last Christmas. Hey.
Alright, so we got the panel ground.
No, the paint.
Well, the panel's ground down,
yeah.
deburred and all that good shit. Now the paint that was all the way back there is all nice and cleaned up. So now, Eric is going to give his hand at trying to tack weld this thing in there. And if all goes well, this will look sick. So, before my phone dies here, get a tack in there so at least we got something. You know what you're doing. Clearly not.
I'm not doing it with glass. I'm doing it without the helmet and I'm just closing my eyes.
That's brilliant.
Yeah, well, I got it.
Nice. Get one up on the top there.
Eric thought my welds were going to be crap. What do you have to say to that, Eric?
They're not entirely crap.
These are.
Put the place up.
To finish this car.
Oh, I know.
Is this recording?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, well. So, we got a little excited here.
Little prematurage,
Little
but
premature excitement here because we were like, you know what? We have a motor with a downpipe already sitting here, so let's take his up pipe.
you meant manifold.
Yes.
Yeah,
sorry.
manifold. Yeah, there's already a manifold sitting on this motor for the black car, and I had the up pipe sitting in my
What did
room.
I say? Header?
Yeah, no, you said
okay, yeah,
downpipe.
'cause
You
my
said
car has
downpipe. Yeah,
headers.
yeah, yeah. No, you said downpipe.
Did I?
Yeah, you did.
Wow.
Nice work.
Fart. I'm a mechanic. That's the sad part. Actually, yeah.
Yeah, I know. That is the sad part. I do this for fun. But
So there you go. Clock properly now.
look at it. Would you just look at it? That's fucking sick.
So we're actually curious to see if this wheel is actually damaged at all. I'm sure it's not, but
I mean, I really hope it's not. But worst case scenario, I have a good basis to build a new turbo off of.
well, you can get these headers.
Evo
Homemade.
special.
Homemade catch can.
Hells yeah.
Did we ever find out if it actually worked?
Gino put his in, and it works perfectly.
He put that on his car?
Yeah.
Lol.
It actually worked out really well. If you own a Subaru, vape is life.
I don't have a Subaru. I'm a Nissan guy.
Hmm.
We don't-
He does. No.
We just go fast.
Right. I
And don't blow up all the time.
I blow smoke out the window and out the exhaust.
The question is, are all the Subaru guys gonna hit us after this video? Comment, find out.
Yes, I am a Subaru meme. If you want to talk shit about it, be my guest. I will give 0 fucks.
So yeah, I am currently working at Bulls Motor. It's a Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep dealership. So yes, talk all the shit you want because it is bad as you think it is. A lot of cars come in for stupid repairs.
But shouldn't have to be repairs, but they
Yeah.
are because Dodge is retarded. Well, no, because Fiat, excuse me. Because Fiat has owned
No,
them.
Dodge has always been kind of an company. As much as I like their trucks, and don't get me wrong, I love their trucks. Mostly just because of the Cummins.
Right.
But I just bought a new toolbox. Snap-on Epic Series. I'll actually drop a picture in real quick, but it's so much better than my other one that I had.
Oh, yeah. The other one was nice.
It was a good box,
Wasn't it a
but it was-
Nikita? Or something like that?
No, it was a Milwaukee.
Milwaukee, that's what it was.
Milwaukee top bench toolbox. Great box. Cheap. Worked for what it needed to, but I just running out of room. I had no room left in that thing. So I got this Snap-on Epic 68-inch. It's a not their highest end, but close to it. It even has a remote to lock and unlock it. So it's not actually done by a key, which everybody gives me shit for. But it's like, hey, when I have a work center, the toolbox, a locker, and top boxes,
That'll be kind of nice.
instead of unlocking multiple things, you just hit one button.
Right. One button locks it all.
Right.
That's nicer than most cars that I own.
Oh, it's perfect. There's nothing wrong with it.
Look at that.
There's nothing wrong with it. Oh, it spins fine.
Alright, I'm excited now. I was scared for a little while.
I am genuine. I wonder if. I know you don't want to. We could put it back together, but like, I really want to make sure that it's the bearings that are destroyed and not the shaft eaten away.
Let's go take an adventure over to the mall.
toolbox.
Yeah, the 2 toolboxes.
Actually,
Would it be in there? No.
No.
Oh! Tell me that's the right size.
You're welcome.
Perfect!
Okay, what's the top?
I need a...
All 12 point sockets, you moron.
Oh, excuse me. There we go.
Well, Eric's trying to gas me out of here right now.
Yeah, I just farted again.
Again.
Smells like sauerkraut, which is pretty fun.
So we got it apart. Shafts are fine. What were the measurements? Not even.
It was 2/10 different.
Yeah, exactly. So.
I used a vernier micrometer, and between the center of the shaft and then the outside where it was actually wearing was 2/10 of a difference,
Yeah, nothing.
which is absolutely nothing. So
That's
at this
just
point, we know that
for however many miles this turbo has,
that's perfectly
which
fine.
we have no idea.
No, we're kind of clueless on that one. But for
You have
two
a
and
little bit of like sandpaper, like high grit.
I think it ran out.
Okay.
Let's go on another adventure through the mess.
Garage.
Oh!
It'd be nice when the motorcycle's not here anymore.
Oh, I know. It's literally gonna clear up so much room. I'm gonna be upset to see it go, but TGVs, anyone? Ah,
Giant sheet
Perfect.
right there.
you guys have never seen the backside of this car. This thing's fairly clean, which is kind of fucked because it's been sitting for so long.
And yes, if you guys can hear, me and Eric are both metalheads.
Oh yeah. ABS pump, anyone?
We ain't using it.
That thing's the fuckery.
Eric doesn't actually want to handle with this car anymore. That's his problem.
I want to handle with it. Are you kidding me? I want this car to make me shit my pants on a daily basis.
But yeah, he's removing the ABS module.
Exactly. I'm gonna shit my pants.
But
just to keep up with each other.
Yesterday I saw this and I saw Subaru parts selling, and I always tag him in Subaru shit.
Oh yeah.
Not too long, he's kind of butthurt about this. But not too long
A little bit.
ago, not a friend of mine, but an acquaintance, he was selling a closed deck block,
Yeah.
EJ25.
Yeah.
And I tagged him and sent him pictures. He's like, "Get me information now," because it was only $2,000 for a fully built bottom end that has already been proven to 600 horsepower, and it's capable of like 800.
Which would have been.
And I go
perfect.
to send him my dude the information, and I see sold, and I was just ugh,
I cried a little bit.
because it would have been faster than my car, and I would have been butthurt about that.
This turbo.
Maybe
would've
I lied that whole time. You'll never know.
You're a piece of shit. You're a piece of shit. I was like, all right, he's being truthful. Like, now you're being a deceitful little piece of shit.
You're.
That's what you get, bitch.
Did my face disappear for a minute?
Yeah, it did. It was gone.
Grab me a 13mm socket. Oh, she's not being a bitch.
No,
You get me shit.
no. Can we find the proper tools in this toolbox?
Oh, are they talking shit about him over there?
Huh?
What?
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 Fuck it. Not what we need. Didn't you have the 13?
514.
No, you definitely have the 13.
I'm 14. I'm looking at it right now.
What about the other one? That was on the other socket wrench.
That's a giant one.
So then I don't have a 13.
How do you have a 13?
Because I don't have a Nissan!
Good point. In case you're wondering, YouTube, to motor swap a Nissan, you need a 16, a 10mm, a 13, and an 18. That's it.
He's not joking either.
I'm
It's
not
kind of
kidding.
fucked.
He helped me. He knows.
Oh, it's fucked how easy it is to take that thing apart.
If you work on a Subaru and you have the entire spectrum besides 13mm, right?
Yeah. Harbor junk coming in at its finest.